Today we're making breakfast toasty, so let's get on with this. So then now you're going to get some bread, and let's open this up, and then get 2 slices of bread, like that, and then you're going to get your grater, and then you're going to get some cheese, and then you're going to grate some cheese on top of the bread, so like that. Make sure to get it all over the bread. Sometimes you can miss, but just need to try your best. Okay, spread it out a bit. Yeah, that'll be good. Put the remaining on. I think we do that with both of them. So I'll do it the same with this corner. Tough sometimes because if we've got like a full block, it's heavy, and plus the cheese is really tough. That's fine now. What have I done to this package? Alright. So now, just spread it around a bit. There we go. Get the remaining cheese. Let's maybe scrape the remaining thing off the grater. And then now it's time for the next. So now you're going to put your oil in the pan and put an egg in, which I've already done now. And yeah, just try and not let the egg move about a bit. Do mix it a little bit. Got the egg just needs to cook a bit. And halfway while we're doing that, we're gonna toast this cheese and bread which we've got to the side. Just needs to turn to like white. Don't be surprised if it turns white, the egg part. I think everyone knows that. It's probably my first time frying an egg. Still got that water in the middle, just keep it. Just try and mix it in so that it should start sizzling a bit like the first 5 minutes, so I don't know how long. First about 2.5 minutes. Okay. It's just easier, you can start moving it about a bit. Egg yolk doesn't look properly cooked yet, so just leave that. Got all the oil into it. I think it's almost ready. Just to mix it around a bit. There's a pizza almost ready. Is it almost ready? I've no idea. Mix it around. Is that egg yolk look ready? It's close to done. So I can see the egg yolk isn't quite ready yet. Actually no. Yeah, it is ready. Okay. Now it's time for the next part. I'll come back soon. Alright, see ya. So now you need to dip a hole into the bread. Not like a hole, but like dip it in like a ditch in the middle. And then you're gonna put... So then you're gonna get your toasty maker to warm up. Now just put these together like that. Like put your egg in the dip just well, and then just bring it over to the toaster maker. No, it's definitely ready. That sounded nice. Okay, I'll come back when it's all ready. Then you're going to put some bacon in the pan. Use the same pan as the egg. Also, you still have a bit of oil left, so you don't need to put any oil in. And put it in the pan. And this is while that toastie is getting ready. Just have to flip it over, maybe. Have to feed it around. It sounds really cool. It's like a sizzling sausage. It's basically made out of the same thing, so yeah. Try and mix it around. So many air bubbles. Mix it around. Looks good. Right, I'll come back when it's done. So while the bacon is still cooking, we are going to take the toastie out, which is probably really warm now. And probably hot, so we'll just let it to cool down a bit. Probably turn it off as well. Turn it off, and then we'll just leave it to cool down a bit. Come back to the bacon. Mix it about a bit. We'll just let it cook. Don't know, you might need to flip it. Don't know. Mix it around and around and around. Okay, come back. So now while that's cooking, and you need to flip the bacon as well, which I've already done. You're going to go over to the toast maker, and then you're going to get your toast. Then you just have to wait for the bacon to cook and stuff, and I'll come back when that's done cooking. You're gonna put the bacon beside your toastie, and then yeah, now it's time for the next part. I'm gonna put the beans in the pan and then turn the heat on, and then yeah, we just need to mix it a bit. And this will be the last step. Okay, I'll come back. So once you finished cooking the beans, you need to put it in a bowl like this. It doesn't have to be like that. And then that is how you make a breakfast toastie.